Choosing the right hairdryer can feel like a daunting task, especially with so many options on the market today. One wrong choice can leave your hair frizzy, damaged, or even worse, take forever to dry. That's why we've narrowed it down to the top 5 hairdryers in 2026, each uniquely equipped to address different hair types and styling needs. Stick around to find out which one will elevate your hair game to the next level, especially our number 1 pick that might just surprise you. Rank 5. Slopehill Professional Ionic Hairdryer. The Slopehill Professional Ionic Hairdryer is a powerful tool designed for those who want professional results without leaving their home. With its advanced ionic technology, this hairdryer reduces frizz and boosts shine, making it perfect for thicker or coarser hair types. Weighing in at a comfortable size, it features multiple heat and speed settings, allowing you to customize your drying experience. Picture getting ready for a night out. This hairdryer can cut your drying time significantly, giving you more time to perfect your style. However, some users find it a bit louder than expected, which might not be ideal for those who prefer a quieter drying experience. Rank 4. Ellabella Professional Ionic Hairdryer. Next up is the Ellabella Professional Ionic Hairdryer, an ideal choice for anyone seeking a blend of style and functionality. This dryer is particularly well-suited for color-treated hair, as it helps retain moisture while reducing heat damage through its innovative ionic technology. Imagine effortlessly styling your hair in the morning before work, as the Ellabella cuts down drying time without sacrificing that salon-quality finish. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, although the cord length could be a bit restrictive for those who prefer the freedom to move around while styling. Rank 3. Wavytalk Hair Dryer. The Wavytalk Hair Dryer is perfect for those who love to add waves or curls to their hair. This product features a unique diffuser attachment that enhances natural texture while minimizing heat damage. Best for individuals with wavy or curly hair, it allows for versatile styling options, giving you the freedom to switch up your look effortlessly. Picture yourself at the beach, embracing those perfect waves. With the Wavytalk, you can achieve that effortlessly. While it performs exceptionally well on wavy hair, it might not give the same desired results on straight hair, so keep that in mind if you have a different hair texture. Rank 2. Conair Cord Keeper Hair Dryer Ranking. Second is the Conair Cord Keeper Hair Dryer, a fantastic choice for those who value convenience and portability. This 1875W dryer boasts a retractable cord, making it easy to store and travel with, perfect for both home and on-the-go styling. The multiple heat and speed settings allow for customized drying and styling options, whether you need a quick dry or a more controlled style. Imagine heading off to a weekend getaway. This hairdryer fits perfectly in your luggage and ensures you look great wherever you go. While it's an excellent all-around option, some users note that it could be more powerful for thicker hair types, so take that into account. Rank 1. REVLON Infrared Ionic Hair Dryer. Finally, our top pick is the REVLON Infrared Ionic Hair Dryer, a standout for its innovative infrared heat technology that ensures even heat distribution, minimizing heat damage. This hairdryer is especially great for all hair types, delivering fast drying results while enhancing shine and smoothness. Picture getting out of the shower and quickly achieving a perfect blowout look with minimal effort. Its lightweight design and quiet operation make it a joy to use daily. The only minor downside is that some users wish it had a longer cord for added flexibility during use. But overall, it is hard to beat the performance of the REVLON Infrared Ionic Hair Dryer. Thanks for tuning in to our top 5 hair dryers of 2026. Whether you're looking for professional results at home or a versatile option for styling on the go, each of these dryers has something special to offer. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find more details on each product. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.